Alright, boys, episode 11 of the Daily Market Outlook video. And just before we get into it, we are almost at 100 members in the Discord, which is absolutely crazy. I'm so happy that we have so many members in here now. And we're just going to keep growing. There's so much value being put into here, so many motivated traders. But let's just dive into the Daily Market Outlook for today. So today is Wednesday, February 26th, and we have no news today, and it is a Wednesday. So let's just start off on the DXY on the weekly time frame. So the DXY has been reacting to this weekly order block, and I'm expecting this low to go. So this is my higher time frame target as of right now. This is how the weekly candle has opened. So this is the new, sorry guys. This is the new week opening gap right now. So far the candle has not done much, and I'm still expecting lower prices. However, I would like to see a push up before seeing those lower prices, and I'll explain that on the daily time frame. So to me right now on the daily time frame, this right here is a liquidity point. Let me find the daily liquidity. This right now, this previous daily high, is liquidity that I would like to be swept before seeing potential lower prices. Yeah, to me, this is the move. This is the current move. We have OT up in here and this daily order block. So this to me is the current target on the DXY. If we drop down to the 4-hour time frame, this target is this high right here. So that would be the 4-hour high that we're looking at. Sorry, I'm just removing these. And yeah, we've had a market structure shift. We've mitigated the extreme zone, and now we can see potentially price push up all the way up into this high. I'm not looking at this order block. This high to me is weak. I could go down to all of the lower time frames right now, but it's not very clear, so I'm not even going to bother. However, we have left these equal lows down here, and I would like to see price manipulate this high, come into this 4-hour zone, 4-hour breaker before we head lower. This has been my analysis for a while now. When price was around here, I said I wanted this high to go and then come in here, but we didn't do that. We broke the high and then we made a pullback, and now we're looking like we can go up into here. So yeah, currently this is my first target. Will we see price push even higher? Potentially. But as of right now, I don't need to think that far. I'm just thinking about this target right now. So that is my target for the DXY for now. Euro USD on, let's start off on the weekly time frame. So what the weekly has done is it has swept this liquidity point. We have mitigated this weekly breaker and this monthly order block, and now price is potentially ready to push higher into this high first off, and then this potential high, which is the same low that I pointed out on the Dixie. So yeah, right now, still bullish for sure. Previous weekly candle is a bit questionable, but I'm still expecting like massive bullishness to come kick in this week. Let's drop down to the daily time frame. It's not clean, guys. Like, it's really not clean, the daily time frame as of right now. If you look at this candle, this massive wick, and this bullish candle, this to me is sort of telling the story. I sort of feel like we could be creating a bottom wick right now, or we will expand lower and target some of these lows, because if you looked at the 4-hour time frame, we have so many lows right here, right? So these lows right here would be nice for them to go before seeing the next expansion higher. If we look at this, yeah, we just mitigated OTE, but I'm expecting these lows to go, so I'll be trading in that direction if I'm trading today. If not, well, then I probably won't be trading. It's not really clear right now, so I can't guarantee anything. Yeah, just on the 1-hour time frame, it's just chop, guys. Like, this whole range is just chopping right now. This is nothing really clean. So I'm probably not going to trade today either until I find clarity. So yeah, that's the euro, and then the pound is going to be a pretty similar thing. This is the weekly candle right now. Nothing special to talk about. The daily candle, we have this low, in my opinion, to target, and then potentially this previous weekly low. I'd like to see price create a nicer pullback. So what we've had here essentially is price push up, create the lower high, the higher low, sorry, push up, and now I just want to see the same thing, and then we continue expanding higher. But yeah, not much clarity right now. Let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. Mitigated this 4-hour order block, and then potentially we can see price push lower from here. A nice big 4-hour bearish candle, but it's not super clear, so I'm not gonna lie to you guys and say that I know what price is doing right now, because I don't really know. So I'm gonna wait for more clarity. I like how we've left these equal highs right up here, and yeah, I'm looking for potential shorts into here, but if it's not clear, I won't take it. That's it for today's video, boys. Not gonna make it overly complicated. I'd recommend, if I were you and you have a funded account, etc., just wait a bit for clearer price action.